Hi, I'm very happy to share with you one of the most popular food packaging method on the market. That's skin packing. As the name suggests, skin packing covers around the food surface just like skin production, so it offers very natural and very effective production. Nowadays, skin packing has been applied to many food types, but mostly it's much favored in premier meat and seafood. Here are some examples. This is sea cucumber in skin packing. As you can see, it's very nice. And this is the salmon portion in skin packing. This is the EDT corner. And this is meat in skin packing. And this is the lobster meat in skin packing. So why do people favor the skin packaging so much? Usually there are many benefits. Here generally there are 4. Number 1, it extends shelf life. Skin packing in short is VSP. It offers a special film, and the special film helps to prevent the growth of the bacteria, so the products can be kept long and fresh for a long time. Number 2, it improves appearance. The top film covers around the food surface tightly, according to the original shape, so it helps offer a max protection for the food, and also it helps to maintain the food original color, flavor, and texture. Number 3, it helps to reduce packing waste, as VSP eliminates the excess lidding, wrapping, and tray, so it reduces the packing waste and also helps to lower the packing cost. Number 4, it improves product safety, as VSP offers strong barrier against contaminants and pathogens. It keeps the food safe in the transportation and reduces the risk of foodborne illness. These are the general features of the VSP, vacuum skin packaging. If you would like to know more details about it, be free to let us know.